Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to do something very different, something very unique, and something that I've never done on my channel before. This idea just came to me randomly. I was going through all of my balloons in my filming room and I'm like, hey, why not? Let's try this out. I don't know if it's gonna fail or I'm gonna succeed at this balloon garland. We'll find out a little bit later, but I am kind of excited to find out how this whole thing will look like. So I decided to use lots and lots of clear balloons, but then I want to double stuff them with colorful balloons. What color? I don't know. We'll find out, as I said, a little bit later. All of the balloons that I will be using in today's video I got from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. I love working with them. They do have a huge selection of balloons, types of balloons from different companies, party supplies, whatever you need, they have it all. If you decide to purchase anything from them, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. This is an affiliate code, and this code is valid for your first purchase. I also do get commission out of this code, so it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. So I'm sitting here in my filming room surrounded by this mess over here, kind of trying a few things and going through some packages that I received from companies. And you guys, I really don't feel like this idea anymore. Whatever I told you in the beginning, taking a clear balloon and stuffing with a colorful balloon, I don't know. I just can't grasp my clear balloons and get inspired by them as I get inspired by colorful balloons. I don't know. I need to really sit down and really think about my clear balloons, because I love clear balloons. I love to work with them. I love how they look, but I just can't get inspired by them. And I don't see a lot of people working with just clear balloons, and I understand why. So instead, I decided to go with double stuffed balloons with green color. It's gonna look very pastel-y, very springy, very summery, very calm looking balloon garland. I am not using a lot of color, and it's gonna be just beautiful. Before we're gonna go and we will double stuff all of our balloons, I really want to share with you these new Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day balloons from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. Look how cute this balloon is. So adorable, in the shape of a tulip. Very pretty writing over here. I love it. It's not that big, but wait for this beast over here. Look at this humongous balloon garland. It is gorgeous and it is beautiful. Beautiful writing as well. It says Happy Mother's Day. It has beautiful flowers and it's a foiled balloon. It's gorgeous. I will link these balloons in the description under the video as well. So let's shuffle this around. Let's clean this up a little bit, and I'll show you what kind of why would you double stuff white with white? And there is a reason for it. If you blow double stuffed color balloon and you look at it, you can definitely tell that that balloon is definitely double stuffed, and it's thicker latex and it looks different from a single stuffed balloon. So to have the same effect from all of the balloons, I would like to double stuff them, all of them, even white with white. I'm not gonna double stuff a lot of white balloons because I mainly want to use green, and then just put a little bit of white here and there just to kind of like mix it up a little bit to bring this double stuffed green color out a little more. So let's go, let's double stuff. To blow our balloons. I am not mixing colors in this balloon garland. I am working one color at a time, and I am blowing my 11-inch into different sizes. So let's go. How beautiful this green color looks. You guys, I'm so happy with the final outcome. I love how pastel and pretty this green looks, and I'm really happy that I double stuffed my white balloons to give exactly the same effect like on these green ones. So here is what I'm doing. I'm taking 3 different sizes of balloon pairs in the same color. I'm not mixing up the colors, and I am intertwining them together to create a cluster of balloons, something like this. Let's construct our balloon garland. So here I am sitting with my apron over here that I love so much. I love how handy this thing is. And yes, I do have a hole here. Oh no, I need to stitch it up. Anyways, I have a whole bunch of things in my apron over here. I have rubber bands, my fishing line, 260s balloons that I'm about to use with glue dots here. I mean, everything I need is here. I will link this thing in the description under the video. It's from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. So here is what I'm doing. I am taking my 260s balloons and I am tying them together to create a long balloon rope. I am starting with 5 balloons. I'm not tying more because tying more can create a problem because your rope can tangle on your other balloons and it will be such a mess. So all right, it's good for now. Now I'm taking my first balloon cluster and I'm tying my balloon rope to my first cluster. Taking my second cluster, finding the perfect spot, applying a little pressure, taking my balloon rope and starting to wrap my balloon rope over balloons, securing my second cluster to my first. So around a newly placed balloon, going over older balloons and all over to make sure everything is completely secured and holds together. Looks pretty good. Taking our third cluster, finding a perfect spot again, and doing exactly the same thing. Wrap around newly placed balloons, over older, and going around. Looks pretty good. Let's go put another one on a side over here. Again, wrapping around newly placed balloons, older balloons. Outer layer popped, and I kind of like it that this is kind of like a accent color, but we're gonna deal with this a little bit later, not now. So that's basically what you need to do to create your balloon garland. Keep placing, keep wrapping, keep on playing with your balloons And yeah, let's go. Garland is on my backdrop. I like what I see. I still want to change a few things, like over here, this side looks a little flatter than this one, so I would like to add more balloons by using my rubber bands. I will show you an up close on how I will do that, but if you're wondering how I hung my balloon garland on this backdrop, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and I do show an up close on how I hang my garlands using fabric and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. Go check that video out. I do answer a lot more questions than just showing you an up close, and I'm pretty sure it will be helpful. Now let's go back to our extra clusters and rubber bands. So here is what I'm doing. I'm taking one of my rubber bands and looping over one of the balloons or over two balloons, it doesn't matter. And now I can stretch my rubber band and go over any other balloon on my garland, and that will keep my balloons right there on the spot where I want it to be. You can absolutely use fishing line to tie your extra clusters to your garland, or you can use 260s balloons as well. I am using rubber bands, it's a lot faster, or you can use low temperature glue gun. Never ever failed me yet, so low temperature glue gun is a contender as well. So let's go place my extra clusters. For you guys today. Look how fresh and beautiful this garland looks. Nothing overwhelming, but statement for sure. I constructed this garland with 260s balloons and rubber bands, good quality balloons. I did lost some balloons, 3 to 5 I believe. Again and again, thank you Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company for amazing balloons. I will link the amount of balloons in the description under the video, and all of the links for every supply will be there as well. Some pictures will be at the end of this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful and fun to watch. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to be there and help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button for more videos and interesting ideas, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye, you guys.